Welcome to my very first video of Warhammer miniatures. I've only opened this up because it shows the glare, but I'll be working on one of these, Warhammer Age of Sigmar, the handbook. This is the very first one I've ever gotten, and I'll be working on that one right there. This is the one I'll be painting, except for that little bit there. So I've already got all of these primed. Let me zoom out so you can see. So I have already started to practice on some. This is the two I've got painted. I have been practicing, and if anyone wants a video of all the models that I've gotten so far, let me know, and all my setup, let me know in the comments. So I'll be cutting all of these out, and then I'll be filing all of these down. So enjoy this cutting little montage.
If I drown, would you pull me back to you? If I drown in your poison.
I'm done with the snipping. As you can see, it's left these rough parts here. I am going to be putting the glove on, just on my left hand, because I'm left-handed, so I hold things with my left hand and I paint, and I don't want to get paint all over this. So now it's time to sand all of these rough edges away. So here comes another little montage. And now I've brought you back in. These are all nice and sanded. So I'll show you here. All of that. Oh, it's not smooth. So what I do, I go back and forth very, very lightly. And then now it's all smooth. So the first thing I'll be doing is deciding which part I want to do first. And that part has always been the shield. Always done the shield because that brings out for the rest of this armour here. And as you can see, it does have a ton of detail that I will do my best to bring out. There it is right there. So I have been practicing on this other one, and I think I am going to do it right, just like I have here. You know, as you can see, that my primer is not the best. But let's commence the painting. So the tools I use a glove to protect my non-painting hand. The ones that I use, yeah. That way I've got a nice head. And there'll be no like fingerprints. They will have this bit of texture on it, but that's fine. And I do use one of these as well. I use these little ones, and it's a 2.5. Don't know if you can read that. Is it right there? I did have a 3.5, but I can't find it, so I have to use what I got. And this does produce a light, which makes it much easier for me to see, and I have it on the band. I think you get these from like Amazon. I got it from my dad, so I get things pretty good. So there we go. And I'll bring the light back over there. Next I paint the colours. So the colours I do use, I have the layer of these, and I have the base ones. I have all the base ones, but not of the layers one just yet. So that's the dark purple. I'll be using this colour. Don't ask me to pronounce it because I can't. So and that will go, I'll zoom in for you. And I find my paintbrush wherever I put it. There we go, 05, which I have cut down for me. And this will go in these creases right here. So I'll just, and then I do have a paper towel next to me, cup of water, and I do have this as well to clean it in betweens. So enjoy the little painting montage of me doing that and everything else. So I'll bring us right back in when I've done the gem.
In your poison. If I drown, would you pull me back to you? If I drown in your poison.
Not completely done. I do need to clean up the purple around here. Do that. But I gotta let that dry for a couple of minutes first. So I'll be putting that off to the side, just like that. Then I'll be grabbing the front piece. Is this piece? Oh wait, no, sorry. That's the front. I wanted the back piece here. You see that? And the front. So I'll be working on the top here, the metal here, and this here. So I'll be bringing out a nice colour. Bring out the iron and that, and then a nice dark around the edges to highlight it. And that. Right here. Oh, I'll be using Iron Warriors. Oh, the shield colours I've used is that one, and that one. That one's for the shield. And this one is for the chest plate here. So I like to shake it up. And now I'll be painting. Ow. Just that here. Just this here.
If I drown, would you pull me back to you? If I drown in your poison. If I drown, would you pull me back to you? If I drown in your poison. If I drown in your poison.
A bit messy around there. But that's because all of this will be covered by base coat anyway. So I just wanted to make sure I get all the little cracks and crevices. So that goes off to the side. And next I grab this. And I paint that little medallion in a special little colour that I call purple. Let me just check my other. Well, I use this colour for the gem, so I'll be using this colour, this medallion. There's little dots on it, and I'll be bringing that out using this, but that's detailed. So give it a bit of a shake again.
Inside of me, you better watch out if your enemies are road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me, and he gets caused real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score, never getting bored. Lots of blood and gore, always wanting more freedom from the source. They don't really innocent until they feel the force of blood in. If you start shit, you be heartless in the darkness, torn apart quick. You left scars ripped, you be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
There we go. Look how shiny that is for now. Oh, my eyes. Oh, for fuck's sake. And I'm going to push them off to the side and focus on the shield. So now that that one's all dried up, I'll be putting a base coat underneath, which is this colour. Shake that. Pop them off to the side. Tap it down so it doesn't clump up.
No exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. This world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it.
And that's, whoops. And that's that base colour down. This is not the final colour. Alright. Promise you. It is not the final colour. So this is going to be a series of parts of videos all over the place. Sorry about that. My attention span won't allow for much longer. So this is part one of the video. Putting that down. And just showing a little bit of what I can do. If you do want a video of my most recent model of me making this, I will show you the collection that I do have. It's all nice and painted. This is just a quick little view. The yoga that I've done, the night that I've done. This is my very first night. This is the first rat I've done. The second one that I've done, and my work in progress ones as well, including the black coach, which is in here. So, black coach. I've got the dragon prince to do, and I've got these ones in here. So if you ever want me to show you a video of the projects that I do actually have to work but haven't been round to it yet, because I've been doing other models and what my desk looks like, my little workstation, and what I use, let me know in the comments down below, and also use all again in another video, which will only be once every few days when I get the time to do so. So thanks for watching. Bye for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye.
You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes.